In the latest in the gun control debate, the Supreme Court will be taking up a gun rights case.
And this comes after a request from the Trump administration asking the High Court to limit the right of drug users. Our Soyoung Kim joining us in studio now. And Soyoung, what makes this especially interesting is that this is a departure for the administration that typically favors Second Amendment rights.
In this case, the Trump administration is actually defending a federal gun ban for drug users.
The U.S. Supreme Court will be taking up whether people who smoke marijuana regularly can legally own guns. Here's where this case stems from. A Texas man was charged with a felony for allegedly violating the federal guns and drugs law after the FBI found a gun in his house and he acknowledged being a regular marijuana user. An appeals court struck down the ban, interpreting he wasn't found with a gun while actively using. That ruling pointed to a 2022 landmark finding. That decision had also found any restrictions must have strong examples in the nation's history, and a blanket ban wasn't supported. Now, the Trump administration is asking the Supreme Court to review the case and apply a gun ban in this case. The Justice Department argues the federal law is valid when used against regular drug users because they pose a serious public safety risk. This battle raises many questions because, like Minnesota, about half of states have legalized recreational marijuana. Minnesota's Office of Cannabis Management says despite state and federal law discrepancies, ATF clarified that it remains federally illegal to mix marijuana with guns. The Minnesota Gun Owners Caucus sent this statement on the matter that reads in part, quote, "Early American laws only punished carrying a firearm while intoxicated, not for unarmed use or possession of substances." The Supreme Court's review will decide if that history supports disarming people for cannabis use alone.
And the High Court will likely hear arguments early next year. Reporting in studio, Soyoung Kim, Fox 9.
All right, thank you, Soyoung.